Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Samsung the frame TV won't turn on. So normally when your TV is turned off, you should be able to see the red glowing power indicator, which is located beneath your TV right here. And if you cannot see it, if you cannot see the red glow, it's really hard to see, especially if you have your lights turned on. So you can turn off your lights and check the power indicator, and if you cannot see it glowing, then it probably means that there are some poorly connected cables. So check this gray cable. Check if it's firmly connected to your TV on the other side. Check if you properly connected it to your One Connect box, and check this one power cable. Check if it's connected to the power outlet, and eventually check if the power outlet is itself is working. So maybe plug in some other device to your power outlet, and maybe that's the issue. And if your device isn't powering on when you're trying to use your remote control, then try turning it on using the physical button, which is located right where your power indicator is located. So right here on the other side of your TV, find the physical button and press it, or just short press it, and then wait for your TV to turn on. And if it turned on, then maybe there is a problem with it. Maybe your remote is discharged. The remote to this TV, if your remote does look like mine, that means that it uses solar energy to charge. So you have to leave it in some well-lit place, maybe near your windows, and let it charge for a while, and then you'll be able to turn on your TV using your remote once again. In the meantime, you can use this app for your smartphone, the SmartThings, to use your phone as remote control. If you don't know how to do that, you can check the video on how to use your smartphone as a remote control on our channel. And if starting your PC with the physical button didn't resolve your issue, and you are sure that your TV is properly connected in all the places, then just unplug your TV from the power outlet and let it rest for about a minute, and then return to it back in a minute and plug in the charging cable back into the power outlet. After a minute, plug your TV back into the power outlet. This will reset the internal circuits in your TV, and then try to turn it on again, either using your physical button or your remote controls. And if it still isn't turning on, then it means that it probably means that there is a hardware issue inside your TV, and in this case you should contact your Samsung customer support service and tell them about this issue, and maybe they'll have to take care of your device, and you're gonna have to send it to them for repair, or just head out to the nearest repair center instead and let them take care of your device. And so that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.